Hello everyone, today we will be frying some spring rolls. But first you're going to wash your hands. This step is optional. Cut up some lettuce into thin strips to put on your plate. This will add a nice contrast between your spring rolls and the plate. You'll need some more paper towel to put on a drying rack next to your frying station. Make sure to separate all your spring rolls. Make sure that the oil is hot when you're starting. We will be using vegetable oil to fry the spring rolls. Just enough oil to cover a little more than half the spring rolls. Turn down the heat to medium and drop in your spring rolls, sealed side down. Fry 2 minutes on each side. If it's not a light golden brown, cook for another 1 minute to make sure that the inside is cooked. If the oil is still crackling, turn down the heat of the oil a bit and let it fry. Remove when it's golden brown. If the oil isn't hot enough, the spring roll will stick to the bottom of the pan or pot. If the oil is too hot when you're frying, the outside will burn before the inside is cooked.
Once done, plate it and serve. I hope you like this video. The recipe video for the spring rolls will come out at some point, hopefully this year.